Today we will learn about table manners. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube for more videos. Make sure every food is halal to consume. Washing hands before eating. Be seated while eating or drinking. Say Bismillah in the name of Allah before eating. Use your right hand to eat or drink. Eat with your mouth closed. Keep your feet to yourself. Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't make a mess. No toys at the table. Never wasting your food. Wipe your mouth with a napkin. Say Alhamdulillah after finish eating. Thank you. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.